Welcome to another travel vlog. Today, I'm flying from Dallas, Texas to Vancouver, Canada, with a stopover in none other than Las Vegas. My journey began at 10 a.m., flying with United Airlines out of Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. The flight to Vegas was smooth and quick, with clear skies and a great view of the desert landscape as we approached Nevada. I had a 5-hour layover in Las Vegas McCarran International Airport, which gave me just enough time to explore, grab some food, and take in that signature Vegas vibe, yes, even inside the airport. Later in the afternoon, I boarded my next flight with WestJet, heading toward Vancouver. It was a comfortable evening flight, and as we flew over the Rockies, I caught a breathtaking sunset from the window seat, a perfect welcome to Canada. I landed in Vancouver around 11:30 p.m., and here's the exciting part, this is actually my first time in this city. I've heard so much about Vancouver's beauty, culture, and nature, and I can't wait to experience it all. For my stay, I chose the Holiday Inn Express Vancouver Airport, Richmond. It's super close to the airport, which made it perfect after a long day of travel. And just look at the view from my room, passing airplanes gliding through the night sky, right outside my window. It felt like the journey was still continuing even after I checked in. Thanks for joining me on this travel day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more as I explore Vancouver for the very first time.